Alam niyo yung chicken nila guys, napaka-crispy at napaka-juicy
Ay, ako na yata sa'yo. Wala mo kayo eh.
Guys, may nag-attempt na kumuha sa ano natin guys, sa pinaka-favorite na part. So, sinave ko to kasi last eh. Save the best for last. Ayan.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM Uptown ng Cagayan de Oro City. And guess what? Pupunta po tayo sa isang napakasikat na pagkainan dito sa Cagayan de Oro City, which is ang Mandarin. Okay, so tignan natin guys. Nandito lang siya sa gilid lang talaga ng BDO. Sa harap ng BDO ng SM Uptown. Natin guys, okay? Dito. Tignan nyo naman, sa labas pa lang niya is napaka-saucy na at sobrang comfortable talaga tayo magstay dito guys. Halika, pasukin natin. Guys, aside sa napaka-cozy ng kanilang lugar at saka napaka-decent at napaka-saucy, social ng Mandarin dito sa SM Uptown, marami din silang ino-offer na mga food kagaya ng mga ganito. So, syempre, hindi mawawala yung mga rice toppings nila. So, may beef ampalaya rice, beef brisket rice, corned beef rice, curry beef rice, ayan. So, ito yung mga nila, noodles din. Chicken mami, asado noodle soup, siomai noodle soup. So, syempre sa chicken nila, meron silang chicken mushroom rice, curry chicken rice, fried chicken drumstick, soy chicken rice, white chicken rice. Ito yung mga asado soup. asado chicken noodle soup, beef brisket noodle soup, beef wonton. At ito yung mga pork din nila, pork barbecued rice, breaded pork chop rice, which is ito yung in-order natin. Kasi masarap yung pork chop daw nila, and tignan natin. Chop suey rice, humba, mandarin spare ribs, pork asado rice, siomai rice, tausi spare ribs rice. Ayan, meron din sila mga seafoods. Curry fish with vegetable. Yan, para sa mga vegetarian dyan. Curry squid with vegetable rice. Wow. Fish tausi rice, kalup with vegetable rice. Steamed fish rice, sweet and sour fish fillet. So, kung mag-add kayo ng plain rice, 45, half cup, 23. Yung fried naman nila, fried rice, 57. And if half cup lang, 29 pesos. Okay? So, by the way, take note, served with plain rice if preferred. So, fried rice can be substituted. Ayan, kung gusto nyo yung fried rice, pwede siyang ma-substitute. At meron din silang congee. Okay? Mga lugaw-lugaw nila. Okay, plain lugaw, asado lugaw, century egg lugaw, chicken ball lugaw, meatball lugaw, special lugaw. Ayan. Eto, dito tayo sa wonton soup nila. Ayan, add lang kayo ng 95 pesos if you want to add extra noodles. Sa asado din nila, sa chicken wonton noodle soup. Okay, so ito yung mga soup nila. For beef brisket soup, 155, meatball soup, 120, siomai soup, 120, wonton soup, 160. Ayan. Silang mga beverages and desserts. Ayan. Siyempre, bottled water nila. Meron silang available. And also, teas and coffee. Ayan, coffee, Nescafe, Chinese hot tea. Nasa pot yan. At saka cold hot milk tea, cold milk tea with jelly and iced tea. Also iced tea with pitcher. Yan. Soft drinks, syempre meron din. Soft drinks in can. Okay, so ito yung paborito ko nila guys para sa gusto ng mga fruit shakes. Ang daming guys, flavor. Avocado, banana, buko, mango, papaya, watermelon. Meron silang durian shake, 4-season shake, mango shake with sago. Wow, calamansi juice available din. And 4-season, guyabano, mango, pineapple, orange. Meron din silang ice blend. Yan, black. Yung ice blend nila, merong buko pandan, chocolate, white chocolate ube, at yung black jelly nila. Also meron silang beer in can para sa mahilig uminom. Okay, so for desserts, buko pandan salad delight, buko salad delight, halo-halo, tropical fruit salad. Ayan, ice cream for halo-halo, extra milk for halo-halo, extra cream for fruit salad. Ayan guys, so excited na kaming kumain. Yan, nag-order na tayo. nandito na po yung order natin. Wow!
Paano kalimutan? Kanina pa naman
Ito yung toppings natin ng mga pagkain sa Mandarin. Yan! Sobrang sarap! Wow! Yan! Ito yung pork chop. Tignan nyo naman yung pork chop, guys. Oh. Sobrang sarap. Chicken mushroom. Wow! Ito yung chicken nila. Alright, so this time guys, itatry na natin yung sabaw first. Ito yung sabaw nila sa... Sana?
beef brisket.
Ha?
Beef brisket.
Beef brisket. Ayan. Sobrang sarap. Ganyan. Eto, itatry din natin tong in order na pork chop. Okay? So, sarap kamayin talaga guys. Sarap kamayin at kainin. Yan, etong sobrang crispy. Napaka-crispy. Okay. Start natin yung meat niya. Okay?
Noodles boy.
Sarap. Siyempre, meron silang gravy. Yan. So, ilagay natin sa gravy. Alam nyo guys, wala pa yung gravy. Masarap na yung meat. Masarap na yung karne. So, tignan natin with gravy guys. Nakakagutom. Okay. Eto, i-try natin yung balat. Okay, ang balat niya. At saka sa ilalim niya yung fats at saka yung karne. Let's try. Ang crispy niya guys. Crispy, juicy, hindi ganong maalat. Napaka tamang timpla lang talaga. Okay, this time, i-try natin with gravy. Lalong sumarap guys yung karne. So, syempre, meron ng gulay yung toppings niya. Yung pork chop with gulay. Yan. Meron carrots, meron pechay, cabbage pa to. Cabbage, corn. Yan. Alam niyo yung chicken nila guys, napaka-crispy at napaka-juicy at napaka-juicy.
Ay, hindi. Ako na yan sa'yo. Wala mo kayo eh.
Guys, may nag-attempt na kumuha sa natin guys, sa pinaka-favorite na part. So, sinave ko to kasi last eh. Save the best for last. Ayan. Anyway, yung chicken nila is napaka-crispy at napaka-juicy. At syempre, Yung kanin nila, the best yung kanin, yung gulay, napaka the best, sobrang delicious. At syempre yung nesty nila, meron silang little nesty, napakasarap din guys. At yung the best na na-experience ko din guys, yung chili sauce nila dito. Meron silang chili sauce na wala pang toyo, ikaw lang yung maglagay ng ng toyo. Alright, so napakasarap talaga guys. Everything is perfect here. Everything is very delicious. So why not try dito sa Mandarin SM Uptown, Cagayan de Oro City.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.